Okay, we can make some bread with some butter, with some cheese, and motherfucking ham and motherfucking turkey. Okay, look, I got a pan. I'm not mad. Okay, let's start off by washing my hands. Okay, do you understand? Let's get lit and let's make it lit because the fire is gonna be higher. Okay, I'm not a liar because I'm gonna cook, and fry and die. Alright, hands washed. Quick hand wash. Okay, let's start with motherfucking eggs. Beat the eggs. Scrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and fuck. Let's grab Jesus. I'm gonna drop my egg. I got 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. 5 motherfucking eggs in my fucking hand. You don't understand, cause I'm gonna drop my fucking egg. Alright. Take the shell off. Take that shell off. Alright, that one did not have a shell. That one didn't have a shell. 2 shells and 2 no shells. Final. Well, that was half and half and half. Alright, search for any motherfucking shells. Wash my hands. And now we wipe off the motherfucking yolk, cause I don't wanna choke because on a motherfucking shell. You know I ain't go to hell over hell. A shell. You fell. I fell a shell. And now we beat the motherfucking. Nah, we need some more eggs. grab 3 more.
This is on your radio. Yeah. 10-3. Yeah. Only on Hot 975. You like it what you see. Everything is done just for me. That's why when I
Make sure my motherfucking eggs get eat. She's fucking calling me.
You playing hide and seek, I'm a